Alright, so one of my favorite places to go to do research is Pinterest because a lot of people will pin stuff on here whenever they see it. So I can literally go on here and go sun quotes and I can find a whole bunch of stuff. Um, you are my son, that's funny. You always do a miracle that makes my life complete. So there's a lot of stuff. Even along here, it's from firstborn boys smile growing up. Look at that from dad. So I'm doing dad to son, right? So what I need to do is start building up my idea folder based on some of these. So if I see something good, then I'm going to put it in there. So something like stay away from people who make you feel like you are hard to love. Fine. When it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, I'm slowly becoming the person I should have been. So this is one that I've seen. So what I can do is hit my little snag it thing here. And I'm actually going to start my idea folder with this one. So always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. So that would be a good candidate for um, a necklace to do from a dad to a son. So I'm going to save this to my idea folder. So I'm going to go File, over here. Just get the right folder out. I'm on the other screen right now. New. So I'm just saving it. So I'm going to make a new folder. Dad to son is what I'll call it. And then I'll just save this one in there. Okay, and then if I see more, I just basically do the same thing and I keep working through until I find more that I want to do. Things I do, but every time I pause, I still think of you. So you gotta go through. I will just watch me sitting next to you doing means absolutely everything. There, so there's another one. That blue and white one right here. So sun, I closed my eyes for but a moment, and suddenly a man stood where my boy used to be. I am not carrying you now in my arms, but I will always carry you in my heart. You have given me so many reasons to be proud of the man you have become, but the proudest moment for me is telling others that you are my son. I love you now and forever. There's like 2 or 3 right in there. So I'm going to save that, and again, all I do is go File, Save As, and then I'll just save it right to my folder. So now in my idea folder, I'm going to build up anything I see. I'm just going to kind of take a screenshot from Pinterest and do that. So there's nothing. Being strong doesn't mean you don't feel pain. It means you feel it. Try to understand. So that's kind of more generic. I believe in the sun even when it's not shining. I believe in love even when I could not feel it. I believe in God even when He's silent. Oh, cool. Okay. So what you want to try and find here is really mushy stuff more than funny. Like this one, You Are My Sunshine. That's more funny than mushy, so I don't think that would work as well. I think you have to go with sentimental, really mushy stuff. Okay? I just want to make this boy happiest he's ever been. No matter how much I say I love you, I always love you more than that. That's not bad. There's just a whole bunch that you can go through and find. And I'm in Sundads from some quotes from dads, but you can go to all too. So I've found 2 right there that I'm probably going to test on a necklace. And you'll see me test them. So you'll see how I do it. If you have a super long one, like this, obviously you can't fit all that onto one. So what you do is you split it apart. I'll show you how to do that. Okay? So that's Pinterest research. You could literally spend like a day on here just farting around looking at good stuff that might be good for, a necklace or things like that. So go ahead, start your idea folder with Pinterest, and then we're on to the next.